Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So prep went well. This came out thicker. It was like 4.5, 5 inches thick. I don't know why. With wire, but the wire was laying on the ground. This is why we don't do wire. It's hard to pick it up, but this time we took it out. We're gonna do our normal 3.5, 4 inches thick with a 2-foot on center grid of fiberglass rebar. There's about 4 or 5 inches of road base here, very well compacted. I mean, I'm having trouble just driving our grade stakes in. We added a little bit more reinforcement along the swell here. The swell usually cracks because of the shape. It just wants to for some reason. So I added a little bit more rebar just to make sure when it cracks it stays hairline, but there it is. That's not sloping as bad. That's normal slope, and then to the swell we have about 1.2 1.3% slope here. From there to there is like 4%. There's like 2, so water will come down, turn, and shoot off that way. It's looking good. So we will see you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be a good day. It might rain in the afternoon, but it's looking like good weather in the morning for us to pour. Thanks for stopping by. Bye guys, we'll see you then. Bye bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured yesterday at 7 in the morning, 5 slump, 0.5% non-chloride accelerant. It came out well. Nice straight joint. This is flowing this way down to the center there, and it goes that way, pulls over there. They're gonna work on that. We're very happy with the outcome. I like how it came out. Customer's very happy with it too. It's looking really good. See our little stream of water running through there. I can't complain. It was a great job. Thanks for clicking on our video. Don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Next week we are doing a 9-yard basketball court pad. Stick around for that. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Have a great day. See you next week.